Hello and welcome to Interactive CAD and Tech. Today, as part of my SolidWorks quick question series, I'm going to be showing you how to move bodies within a part file. So what I've done here is I've just imported a fan from a PC from a manufacturer's website, and I want to move it within the part file. So what you do is you go up to Insert, Features, and then you go to Move and Copy. You click the body you'd like to move, and then you can move it to, well, there's three ways you can move it. You can either move it in the graphics window by dragging the body where you'd like it to go. You can also rotate the body in the graphics window using these pulls, depending on what axis you'd like to rotate it around. You can also manually input it on the left-hand side here and put your degrees in around which axes you want to rotate the part around or move the part from. Another way you can do it is if you click Constraints, and then you can actually constrain and move the body like an assembly part using coincident, parallel, perpendicular, and tangent. So just to give you an example, I've obviously imported this from an IGES file. So what I'm going to do is, just to show you moving bodies in action, I'm just going to pull this down. I've drawn a bit of a housing, but this is in the same part file and the two different solid bodies. But this is not in the right position. So what I'm going to do is go to Insert, Features, Move Copy, click the required body, and I'm going to move it up in the Z-axis 54mm. Click OK, and there you have it. A very simple way to move multiple bodies in a single SolidWorks part file. I hope you found this video interesting, and I hope you found it helpful. If you have, please subscribe to my channel and I'll keep uploading videos, gradually getting more complex, and thanks for watching.